teacher. My name is Maria Fernanda. That's name Caro Rodriguez. Welcome to club. Entonces, last summer we went on a vacation week where my husband, my son, and me traveled by car. We usually have been traveled by car because it's cheap. In this travel, we went to Villa Restrepo and saw a village near to Ibagué, a village with a natural church where are many activities like horse riding and climbing. Wait, and there is viewpoint that the people have gone up for several years. We ride on a salt cable car towards a park where my children meet animals like sheep, ostrich, and darts. We took man photos. Finally, we come under the light of the star and the net very wet and the nets they with decided to go to Salento, Quindío. The best way to go to Salento has been across the top of the line, one of the highest roads on all the country. Salento is a place of colonial inspiration where people commonly have come and have by wood souvenir on vacation as a town is far from the highway. It is necessary to board a jeep. We did it and it was worth it. Welcome in Salento for 3 days. We made a bonfire. We looked and the star, and we told many horror stories. And my husband sang some songs. Finally, we rent a couple of scooters and we drove to the bar of the coffee and where my children and I of many occasions. Whereon in mechanical attraction such as the roller coaster, the coffee train, and water attraction such as bumper boats, were bound one bottle to make ball boats, and we left so tired that we that that we stayed to raise in unbearable fashion hostel. In general, we have enjoyed and loved and stopped very wonderful memories with my family. There is two places that I have not visited, just an hope to do. One is Guatapé in Medellin, the landscape and the hay are amazing. Another is the Tota Lake in Boyacá. We hope to go and inspect technique or